Hey, I'm Rakeen, and today I'm going to be showing you how to properly cut something out in Photoshop. First, I'm going to show you how to use the different lasso tools to cut things out. So I have a picture of this chair here, and I'm going to use the normal lasso tool to try and cut it out by just holding down mouse 1 and moving it around. As you can see, it's not the most effective tool you can use to cut something out, so I'm going to try and use the polygonal lasso tool and just click every time I want to make a new edge. As you can see, it works a lot better than the normal lasso tool, and it's a viable option for cutting something out. You can also use the magnetic lasso tool, which works a lot like the normal lasso tool, but it sticks to edges. This is a very good option to cut something out. The last thing you can use is the magic wand tool, which can be effective when you have a solid background that contrasts with what you're cutting out, like the floor against the chair. So I'm just going to click on the ground with my magic wand tool and start to delete it. It may not work all at once, and you'll have to click the areas that are still there again to make sure that you've got the entire background out. And now I'm just going to clean this up with the lasso tool and eraser. And that is how to properly cut something out in Photoshop.